Hello everybody. Today is the beginning day of the work. We've been thinking about restoring this ʻAuwai for many years now, and went through all of the permitting process and all of the due diligence. Got our engineering firm to do up the plans, and now we have a crew that's here, and we're commencing with the work to get the water flowing back into the lands of Palawai again. It's amazing and huge feat as far as I'm concerned. It's not only for these lands here in Maunawili, and it's not only just for us as an organization. This is really an opportunity for Hawaiʻi. We think of all the lands that have been lost that were once former lo'i lands, that we have the opportunity now to restore some of these lands back to production, and more importantly to bringing life back to the lands and those who will be a part of restoring it and eating the food. We're super excited. But, what we're doing is restoring a section of ʻAuwai, which you can see far off over there. As I understand it, is pre-contact ʻAuwai, and there's still a semblance of it still here today in 2026. And we're going to be connecting up the water from the stream with a pipe underneath. We can't connect it all the way up mauka like how it once was, but with a pipe underneath to get it to that ditch, the ʻAuwai ditch, and then flow it all the way to Maunawili Park. It used to flow all the way into Kawainui and flood irrigate all these lands. But we're going to be restoring a section of this, about 20 acres.